Another tool and another way to seeing all of your details in your model is exploded view. If you turn it on, you can explode your component to the X, Y, and Z. If you increase the number of the factor, now you can see we are exploding. Why this happen? Our objects are exploding somewhere because of the origin. If you use the origin, you can see all of the objects are jumping, but if you don't use the origin, the object will be exploding in its place. But if you select a car, you can see the origin of all the car is here. Make sure that you right click and go to transform remote point to the center. Now you can see the objects are exploding in their place. I think it does not correct that. Yeah, we can see all of the objects are not in. You have to make all of them one by one. Origin of the all objects are in this place. Because of that, they're exploding from this part. You have to right click one by one if you want to correct display correctly the center, and then use that. And let's see, move. No, you have to do it that, okay, manually, and it's use its origin to exploding. For example, these parts are moving that way. You can do the pivot. Now you can see that. You have to make sure that I'll use one by one. So this is another way to see your object.